Hello mga mi, tutorial naman tayo kung paano ko ginawa itong money flower. Pwede kayong gumawa ng ready-made na ganito, sila na lang ang maglalagay ng pera. Hindi naman sila mahihirapang ilagay, gagawin lang cone shape yung pera mga mi. Para naman hindi mahulog yung pera mga mi, gagamit naman ng paper clips. Kung ano ang kulay ng pera, yun din ang kulay na ginamit ko. Sa side maglalagay ng paper clips para hindi makita sa harapan. Para makagawa ng ganito mga mi, gumamit ako ng acetate clear film. Mas maganda tong gamitin kaysa sa plastic money. Gugupit lang ng kasing size ng pera natin. 8cm to kaya may sobra pang konti. Kung paano ko finold yung pera kanina, ganun din ang pag-fold nito. 12 pieces ang ginawa kong ganito mga mi. Tapos pinagdikit ko lang ng tape, dapat pantay. 6 muna yung pinagdikit ko mga mi, pagkatapos yung 6 ulit.
I woke up slow today, flowers on my mind, paper in my hands, soft and light to find. Fix the stems with care, hold them nice and tight. Little by little, it's turning out right. Fold it once, then two. Take my time, go slow. Simple things can bloom more than what you know. With Shanley DIY, I wrap with love inside every little fold, filled with care and pride. From my hands to you, watch the beauty grow in each simple wrap. There's a heart to show. Smooth the sides so clean, fix the shape just right. Add a ribbon touch, keep it soft and light. Not too fast, just calm, let the moment stay. Every single step done my gentle way. No rush, no pressure here, just the joy I make in every quiet wrap. There's a piece I take with Shanley DIY. I made this on my own, simple flowers wrapped with the love well shown. Not just what you see, more than just bouquet. It's a piece of me in a soft display. Yeah. The flowers bloom, all set to show in shades that softly glow. Now comes a step I hold so dear, the final moment drawing near. I lift them up with steady hands, fix every piece the way I planned. A wrap so smooth, a gentle guide to keep their beauty safe inside. Wrapped with love, wrapped just right by Shanley DIY. Day and night, not just blooms for eyes to see, but something made sincerely. Layer by layer I take my time, turning simple into fine. Edges straight and corners clean, the softest wrap you've ever seen. A ribbon placed with care, so true. A quiet touch to see it through. Not too loud, not too much, just enough of a loving touch. It's more than paper, more than art. It's a piece of my quiet heart. In every fold and every line, there's a love you can't define. Wrapped with love, wrapped just right by Shanley DIY.